Bienvenido, mi amigo. Practicing. Because you never know. Yeah, I'm getting tired. Season ticket, round numbers. Laurent Robinson, Jason Hill. Round numbers goes to the Falcons on top. Numbered 1000. Maple 19, that's Dolphins. Base. Base. Draft class, Dwayne Bowe, Colby Smith. Chiefs out of 1000. Prophecy guy has the Chiefs. Playoff ticket, Chad Johnson, Bengals, numbered 35 of 199. See? That's why where the Spanish came in. That was Spanish, wasn't it? Base. Paul? I don't even try. Numbered out of 1000 for the Bills. Want to bet. Get some autos. No, it didn't work. Reverse psychology. Let's get some base. See? Works. Clifton Ryan. Alright, let's get the autos. Rams, JW Man 92. We got an auto, a big guy. Doesn't look like a Clifton though. Base. Anthony Gonzalez. That's alright. Hail 24. The Ohio State Buckeyes. Base. Base. Redemption. 205. Rookie tickets. 205. Patrick Willis. Well, we'll send it out. It's expired, but Tyrod Sports, that goes to you, and hopefully they will redeem it or at least replace it. Had good luck. I don't think we hit a single redemption until halfway through the case. Now, almost every box. Chris Davis, Titans, number to 1000. That's Iser's Demand. Peyton Manning, MVP insert, number to 1000. Lorenzo Booker, number to 250. Dolphins is Prophecy Guy. Should have at least one auto left, right? Yeah, just one. So we had Clifton, we had Redemption, and we had Anthony Gonzalez. Base. 4-pack. Mason Crosby. Packers. Cool Hand Flash gets the kicker autograph. That's the kicker. Base. Let's get a good insert. Base. And base. Alright, more coming. Stay tuned.